What's up guys, Paul here. Today we're going to talk about off-page SEO, why does it matter, and how to use off-page SEO signals to boost your website. Let's get started. So here's a list of off-page SEO optimization that you have to do. Number one is Google My Business. Then you have social channels, which are Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, directories. Then you have directories, which are Yelp, Google My Business, Citations, etc. Then we talk about backlinks, why reviews are important, and guest posting from relevant websites, which get you more backlinks. So let's get started with the website. One of the most important things when you build a website that you have to look at is social signals. And one of the best ways to create social signals is to have social media links on the footer of the page. So here for painters in Philly, we have social media links from Facebook, email, Instagram, Google My Business, and Yelp. Now this creates links from these particular channels back to your website. Now let's take a look at Google My Business and how we optimize Google My Business for higher rankings. So first thing you have to do is go to Google My Business and create a Google My Business page for your account. Now I'll be going over an in-depth review of creating Google My Business page for your business and website, but for now, let's just take a look at the information and how we set up Google My Business for optimization. So first thing we do is create your business name, Painters in Philly, category, then you have your address, then the service area, then you go in and put in your dates, when are you open and what time do you service. Then you go in and add your phone number, your tags, your websites, appointment links, and services. After that, this is the most important thing. This is the Google My Business description. And there are certain ways you have to optimize Google My Business description. You have to make sure that the business name is included, and you have to make sure that the service is included. So let's take a look at this description. And here's the description for Google My Business. So it is really important to optimize Google My Business descriptions for your website. So we have described Painters in Philly is a full-service painting contractor serving Philadelphia and the surrounding region. We do house painting, residential painting, commercial painting, office painting, and all custom paintings in Philadelphia and the surrounding area. We are licensed, insured for all your painting needs. Our high-quality craftsmanship and detailed attention to our customer is what helps us deliver excellent results and serve the customers right the first time. Call us today. So this is how you optimize your Google My Business information. Make sure you include the keywords in your Google My Business information. Make sure you include the services that you're trying to rank for and how you help the customer, and give an in-depth review of what is it that your business does, what service that your business offers, and what locations are your business serving for this particular service. And if you go into insights, you will be able to see what type of traffic you're getting and what kind of discovery and branding you're getting to your website. So we have direct traffic, 4.1%, 108 visitors. Then you have discovery, and this is where SEO comes in, and this is where we're getting the highest amount of traffic, 2,491 visitors. That's 95.5% of the traffic over the last 1 month. And then you have branded. We don't really focus on branded, but this is something we should heavily focus on, and this is something you should focus on if you have a big brand which is well known. And then you have reviews. Let's go back and take a look at the queries too, which we're ranking for. So this is where we're getting the most amount of traffic. Painters near me, Philadelphia painters, painters Philadelphia, painting, painters, house painters near me, etc. So this is a really great place to start your keyword research and optimize your website to get more results with these keywords. Then you go into review. So we have 5-star reviews for all the painting services that we have done. If your business does have location, and if your business has offices, then I would definitely recommend putting the pictures of your business and having your business geo tagged in the Google My Business. Then you go into products, and then you go to service. Make sure you have the services in the order of priority. So exterior painting, interior painting, painting cabinets, painting house, drywall repair, staining, commercial painting, custom painting, office painting, etc. And this is how you optimize your Google My Business. And now let's take a look at directories. When checking for directory optimization, you can go to Google and type in Moz local citation checker, and go to the check your online presence tool. And once you get here, you can actually enter your business name, address. It's 6735 Castro Avenue, zip code. And once you hit click check, it will go in and check all your citations to make sure if it is correct, if it's missing anything, and if you have to improve any of your citations. So 67% correct, 33% missing, 0 incorrect. Now this is really important. Make sure you don't have any incorrect citation. Now this 33 missing, these are citations which are not relevant to our particular industry. That's why it says it's missing. But everything else, like Google Maps, Facebook, Bing, Yelp, and all these directories, Show Me Local, all these directories are optimized. They have the correct name, they have the correct address, they have the correct phone number, and also they have the correct website. So make sure you go into Moz, check your online presence, and make sure you put your business information in to check if your citations are done correctly. And if it's not, make sure you go and fix all your citation, because that is an important ranking factor for your website. Once you check your local citations, then you want to go in and make sure you have all the information correct on social channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and other social channels if that's relevant to your website. And make sure everything is optimized. Make sure your information for the page is optimized. Make sure the page has relevant content, description is correct, category is correct, phone number, email address, website information, and the address of your physical location is correct. And once that is done, then you want to go in and look for backlinks from your competitors. So now that you know how to optimize all your social channels, let's take a look at backlinks. Now backlinks is a major important factor when it comes to ranking your website, and you should make sure that you get credible, high quality backlinks to your website. Now when it comes to backlink, there are two types of backlinks. There are do follow and no follow. No follow backlinks do not pass on value. Do follow backlinks pass value. And you can actually type in your domain name on Google and look at backlinks, and look at which type of links you're getting. So as you can see here, we have no follow, here we have do follow. You can filter by domain rating, and then you can go and take a look at the type of backlinks you're getting. So as you can see, we are getting backlinks from directories such as Yellow Pages, and this is a guest post. Then you have another guest post. Then you have Chamber of Commerce. This is a directory. And then you have SEO, site checkup, text notes, to find local. Now these are all local directories which are linking back to our website, and local directories have a do follow link. So that means the local directories will actually pass on their links, their link juice to your website, giving you a higher domain authority. And you can also have no follow links which do not pass on any domain authority. Now these are sites like Yellow Pages and Local Citations. Now another way to get backlinks is you can go look at guest posting service. And when you build websites, make sure you have a blog section to write content which is informative and shareable. So one of the highest amount of traffic which we get for this website is actually this blog. Now, this blog has been shared by multiple websites, and we get high domain authority relevant backlinks to our website because of this one blog, which was written in January 7, 2020, over 10 months ago. And this blog has been ranking, and this blog has been getting so many backlinks. Now, this is why having a blogging strategy is important. And as you can see, this website has over 10 blogs, and we're getting highest amount of backlinks and traffic from our blog. Then using internal linking strategy, our readers get redirected to our home page, and then the conversions happens on the home page. So make sure you have blogs for your website so that you can create informative content for your reader, redirect them to the home page, and convert them from the home page. Share the blogs on your social media, and you can also do guest posting for websites. So if you go to Google and type in guest posting service for painters, or painters write for us, there will be forums, there will be online guest posting blog services where you can take your article and write for particular websites like this online art lesson and other directories and other blogs, where you can write your article, get paid per article right here between $30 and $100 per article, and they will also give you a do follow backlink to your websites, increasing your domain authority, increasing backlinks, and ranking your websites higher. And you can also go in and type in house painting guest post articles, guest post article services, and you can go in and write your guest post articles and submit your articles to these websites, and you will also get relevant do follow backlinks to your websites, increasing that article's ranking. And that, because that article is linking back to your home page with the particular keyword, your home page will also increase in domain authority, in domain rating, and it will also rank your website higher. Now, there are more off-page SEO strategies that we can go over, but these are the 7 ones. These are the 7 strategies that you have to focus on in order to get rankings, in order to build credibility, in order to build domain authority, and get the highest amount of people coming to your website and converting. If you're interested in learning SEO and digital marketing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting more great videos like this, which will inform you and which will teach you how to do SEO, pay-per-click, and digital marketing in general. I'll catch you guys next time.